Hello friends and my dear students. I Mr. Virendra Banya came once again with a new topic, that is capital structure. So it is part 4. Chapter name is sources to corporate finance. So today we will going to learn about the capital structure in detail. So let's start. Capital structure. As a capital, we know what is capital. Capital is nothing but a finance or a fund which help to start or to run a business, or whatever finance we are investing in business, it's also called as capital. Structure is something different. सुनने में ऐसा लगता है कि कोई ड्राइंग या कोई चार्ट, समथिंग डायग्राम, but here the meaning of capital structure is something different, what we are actually thinking. So let's see in detail what is capital structure. Meaning, capital structure include of two concepts, that is capital and structure. It means capital and structure both are the different concept. Capital is different and structure is different. Capital means investment of funds in business. कुछ समय पहले मैंने जो बोला that capital का मतलब क्या, वो पैसा, वो फाइनेंस, वो फंड्स जो हम बिजनेस में यूटिलाइज करते हैं बिजनेस को चालू करने के लिए या चलाने के लिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल. While structure means a proper arrangement of different components. But when we are talking about the structure, so structure is nothing but it a ways or source we can say from where company can collect a capital for their business. So structure का अगर हम बात करें सिंपल में, तो structure का मतलब क्या, वो जरिया, वो सोर्सेस, वो वेज, वो रास्ते जहां से कंपनी अपनी बिजनेस के लिए कैपिटल कलेक्ट करती है, उसको बोल सकते हैं हम स्ट्रक्चर. A company has option to collect or raise its capital from different sources. Now company has some option from where they can collect or raise its capital for their business. So now we'll see what are the different sources, that is own capital and borrowed capital, or from both. Means company has three options we can say from where they can collect a capital for their business. So what is it is? So first one is own capital, second is borrowed capital, and third one is company can collect a capital from both sources. So these all are the three options from where company can collect a capital or finance for their business. So which one it is? Own capital, borrowed capital, or from the both. Whereas own capital consists of equity share capital, preference share capital, and retained earning. Now, these all are the sources which comes under own capital. What is it? Equity share capital, preference share capital, and retained earning. It means company can collect a capital for their business, mostly a public company. इसका मतलब कि कंपनी के पास कौन कौन से तरीके हैं? इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल, प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल, एंड रिटेन अर्निंग. सो कंपनी कैन कलेक्ट कैपिटल by issuing equity share to the public. They can collect a capital by issuing preference share to the public, or they can also generate a capital within the company, which is called retained earning or plugging back of profit. So कंपनी इक्विटी शेयर मार्केट में बेच के पैसा अर्न कर सकता है, कलेक्ट कर सकता है, प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स बेच के पैसा कलेक्ट कर सकता है, या खुद से भी पैसे को जनरेट कर सकता है with the process of return earning or plugging back of profit. On other hand, borrowed capital sources are, so borrowed capital की कौन कौन से sources है? That is debentures, बैंक लोन्स एंड एटसेट्रा. तो एटसेट्रा में हम बोल सकते हैं कि बॉन्ड्स आ जाता है, पब्लिक डिपॉजिट आ जाता है, एंड एटसेट्रा. सो In borrowed capital, company can collect a capital by issuing debentures to the public, can collect loan from the banks, can issue bonds to the public, can collect a capital by collecting public deposit from the public, and etc. So these all are the sources from where company can collect capital in the form of borrowed capital. Now let's say definition. According to John H. Hampton, a firm capital structure is the relationship between the debt and equity securities that makes up the firm financing for its assets. So according to John H. Hampton, a firm's capital structure is the relationship between, किसके बीच में relation है? Debt and equity. So what is debt? Debt is nothing but borrowed capital. Equity is nothing but own capital. So it is relationship between borrowed capital and own capital that makes up the firm financing for its assets. जो कंपनी को हेल्प करता है, मदद करता है कंपनी को अपने बिजनेस के लिए फाइनेंस कलेक्ट करने के लिए, और उस फाइनेंस से कंपनी क्या कर सकता है? कंपनी कैन परचेस एसेट्स फॉर देयर बिजनेस विच इज रियली हेल्प टू स्टार्ट और टू रन देयर बिजनेस. नाउ ओन कैपिटल, मैंने यहाँ पे बहुत ही सिंपल में इसको थोड़ा एक ऐसा अच्छे से आपको दिखाया है. दैट इज ओन कैपिटल, or can say what are the sources which comes under own capital. So equity share capital, preference share capital, or retained earning, this all are comes under the sources in own capital. Now what is borrowed capital? Debentures, bank loan, bonds, public deposits, and etc. These all are the sources which comes under borrowed capital. Let's see next slide. Capital structure. Here I try to explain in simple way, so that's why I segregate it, or can say divide it into two parts, which really help to understand in very simple way. So first part is shareholder fund, or can say own capital, borrowed fund, or can say borrowed capital. So what are the sources which comes under shareholder fund? So that is equity share capital, preference share capital, and retained earning. What are the sources which comes under in borrowed fund? That is debentures capital, loan from banks, issuing bonds, or collecting deposits from the public. These all are the structure. Capital structure means in simple way, these all are the sources or the ways. ये सब वो जरिया है, रास्ते हैं जहां से कंपनी अपने बिजनेस के लिए क्या करता है या क्या कर सकता है? कैपिटल और फाइनेंस कलेक्ट कर सकता है और अपने बिजनेस को शुरू और चला सकता है. कंपनी कैन कलेक्ट देयर कैपिटल फॉर देयर बिजनेस with the help of that finance, collected capital or the finance, they can start or run their business. Now all these the sources, shareholder funds, borrowed capital or borrowed fund, we'll see in someone next lecture in detail very well. Till then, thank you so much. Jai Hind.